Hello and welcome to LT Garage Doors, a highly reputable garage door supplier and fitter for the sale, repair and replacement of garage doors throughout Staffordshire. LT Garage Doors have an extensive range of new garage doors ready for supply and fitting, and are also experts in garage door repairs. At our impressive showroom you can look and try any of our products before purchasing. This family-run business is a full member of the Checker Trade scheme. In our parts department we supply a wide range of parts and motors, and can also supply and fit PVC fascias, windows and doors. Our range of products includes both manual and electric garage doors. We also stock a wide range of accessories, such as key-coded door openers, fingerprint scanners and so on.
So this is a safety mechanism on the roller door. So the door's coming down, you've got your photocell beam across the bottom. So somebody ran underneath, or any pets ran underneath, the door would automatically stop, go up, and then it wouldn't come back down.
All the up and over garage doors made by Horman and Garador come with a 10-year manufacturer's guarantee for the safe and reliable running of their doors. Both Horman and Garador have a range of 10 different designs of steel doors with a choice of 6 powder-coated colours on top of the standard white colour. For further details or for a free quote, why not call in and see us at our showroom? You can call us on 01782 533 552, or you can email us ltgaragedoors@gmail.com.